Now, I am going to draw a part which in some ways is like a lysosome and in some way it is not. So, before I tell you what it is, I want to draw it. What am I doing? First I drew an oval shape with a single line, and what I did with the inner lining? I made some finger like processes. Now, this is what is mitochondria. A mitochondria, when seen as a whole, is like a cup shaped. But under electron microscope, it is oval in shape, double membrane, and the inner line forms the finger like processes which are called cristae. Just to get a better view, now why is the need of making this cristae? Because we want more surface area. This is filled with respiratory enzymes. So, what does that mean? What is it concerned with? Respiration is concerned with release of energy. So, mitochondria are the powerhouse. Now, your kingdom also needs electricity. It also needs source of energy like say your cooking gas supply. So, these are the powerhouse of the cell. What is the currency of this powerhouse, or in other words, in which form is the power stored? ATP. What is ATP? ATP is adenosine triphosphate. It is in this molecule that energy is stored. When this molecule breaks down to form ADP and IP, energy is released. So, you can also say that ATP is like a bank. Whatever you earn, some you spend, and extra you put in reserve. Similarly, energy is put in ATP to be used later.